Welcome back. Today we are looking at the MUKIKIM NASA Future Explorers Perseverance Mars review. Is it worth it? NASA Rover prototype system toys have become one of the most exciting ways to introduce children to science, engineering, and space exploration. The MUKIKIM NASA Future Explorers Perseverance Mars rover brings that experience into the hands of young learners by combining hands-on construction, interactive robotics, and real-world NASA-inspired design. Check the video description for the updated price link. This STEM education kit is designed not just as a toy, but as an immersive learning platform that teaches kids how real Mars rovers work, how robotic systems are engineered, and how space exploration missions are planned and executed. In 2026, STEM-based educational toys are more advanced than ever, and this Mars rover kit stands out because it blends mechanical assembly with motorized movement and a fully functional robotic arm. Children are not only building a model, they are building a working rover inspired by NASA's Perseverance mission. This gives them an early exposure to robotics, physics, and engineering concepts in a fun and engaging way. The growing popularity of space-themed education tools reflects how parents and educators are focusing on interactive learning instead of passive screen time. This NASA rover prototype system is designed to encourage curiosity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills in a way that feels like play rather than structured learning. The MUKIKIM Perseverance Mars rover kit comes packed with educational and interactive features that make it stand out in the STEM toy category. Every component is designed to simulate real rover functions while remaining safe and accessible for kids. The rover is modeled closely after the actual Perseverance Mars rover used by NASA. From its wheel configuration to its robotic arm, every detail is carefully crafted to replicate real-world space exploration technology. This helps children visually and mentally connect their learning with real NASA missions. Unlike static model kits, this rover features a built-in motor that allows it to move across different surfaces. Kids can see how engineering design impacts movement, traction, and stability, especially when navigating uneven terrain. The robotic arm is one of the most exciting features. It can be controlled to pick up and move small objects, simulating how real Mars rovers collect samples. This introduces basic robotics control principles in a very hands-on way. The kit is designed to teach science, technology, engineering, and mathematics concepts simultaneously. Children learn about gears, motors, mechanical linkages, and basic programming logic through guided assembly and play. The building process itself is educational. Step-by-step assembly instructions encourage patience, logical thinking, and attention to detail, making it an ideal project for both solo learning and parent-child bonding. This NASA rover prototype system is more than just a toy, it is a structured learning tool that supports STEM education at home. By assembling and operating the rover, children naturally develop problem-solving skills and spatial awareness. They also begin to understand how mechanical systems interact with electronic components. One of the most important benefits is the development of engineering thinking. Kids learn how small design changes can impact performance. For example, adjusting wheel alignment or robotic arm positioning can change how effectively the rover operates. This type of experiential learning is highly effective in building long-term interest in science and technology. Parents looking to supplement their child's learning environment can also explore other smart learning tools like the Smart Pet Feeder with camera and audio system, which introduces automation and remote monitoring concepts in everyday life applications. The performance of this NASA rover prototype system is impressive for an educational STEM kit. The motorized base provides smooth movement on flat surfaces such as tables, tiles, and low-pile carpets. While it is not designed for rough outdoor terrain, it performs consistently well in indoor environments. Check the link in the description to get yours today.